All right, what are we doing today? Well, we got our maintenance minder on. We turn on the ignition, I've passed 600 miles on the clock, so I've got the maintenance minder. Instead of going to the dealer and paying for them to reset that, I'm gonna do it myself with TuneECU. So get your seat off, grab your diagnostic port, put your ODB Link LX in, make sure it has power, and then go to an Android phone, launch TuneECU, go to ECU and connect. All right, watch this little light down there. It's blue, it'll start flashing red, then I go to yellow, and it's green, so we are now connected. So what we want to do is go to ECU, tests and adjustments, go to adjustments, and what we want to do is reset service interval. Hit run. We want it in miles. We'll set it to go off next 6,000. Okay. Hit validate. Next service in 6,000 miles. Sure. Reset service interval done. And it is now off of the dash. You'll notice it is now missing. So in addition to, playing with the throttle maps and all the things that we've shown you in other videos, and I apologize if there's some wind noise from the fan, but it's 94 degrees in my garage and super humid. But we went through and we got rid of all the throttle restrictions from ETV 2 or 3, whatever it was. Rain mode, that's road. You'll notice now we've got no restrictions up top. But then the other thing you can do is get rid of the maintenance minder. So that's as simple as it is. Connect it there, connect it to TuneECU on your Android phone, and then just basically go in and walk through the steps, reset the maintenance minder, we're all done. So I've got 600 and something miles, 656 miles. I'm about to do my second oil change. I do a kind of abbreviated break-in, break it in a little harder. I was up there riding it very hard today. You can see the tires kind of starting to, that's from street riding actually. Normally you get that on track, you get more on track, but we were actually riding up in the road, on the road in the mountains today, and these are pretty good tires, but we were running at a good enough pace that I'm starting to get the tearing kind of going on. So I'm gonna go ahead, because I do ride it hard, we're gonna go ahead and do the second oil change. I'm gonna use the high flow 204 RC, and we're gonna start switching over to this stuff. This is the Quicksilver 4-stroke full synthetic. It's made by Mercury Motors. They do a lot of high performance boat motors and stuff, and so this is specifically for motorcycles. It's got JSO MA, MA2, SF. I mean, it's got every single thing that your owner's manual calls for in an oil. It's a full synthetic 10W40. So I'm gonna switch to that, get the second break-in oil out, and then we're just gonna ride the shit out of this thing. So it's been a hell of a bike so far. It's been a lot of fun. So expect some more things.